Welcome to this walk around video. Here we've got a lovely 69 registered Audi RS3 Sport Edition. So it's fully loaded. So it's finished in Ara Blue crystal effect. Lovely colour in the sun. And with the Sport Edition you do get the black styling package to the rear and the front, along with the side window trims. You do have the 19-inch Sport Edition alloy wheels. This specific car's got the black RS brake calipers. Is fitted with the optional matrix LED headlights, giving you the dynamic front and rear indicators as well. With the Sport Edition you do have the panoramic glass roof as standard, privacy glass as well, and if we move around to the rear you do have the RS exhaust system with the tailpipes in black. Moving inside you do have full Nappa leather with the red contrast stitching. Lovely condition in the front and the rear. Carbon inlays as well with the Sport Edition, and this one is fitted with the comfort and sound package, giving you Bang & Olufsen sound system, rear view camera, and even Audi's advanced keyless entry. Does also have the heated electric folding and auto dimming mirrors. Of course, on the RS3 you do have the digital virtual cockpit as standard. This car is also fitted with the adaptive cruise control, does also have lane assist and side assist. Of course, heated front super sport seats. Does also have MMI Nav Plus, Audi Smartphone Interface for your Apple CarPlay. It's lovely condition, having covered just less than 50,000 miles from new. If you are interested in this vehicle or do have any questions, please do give us a call. The number is 01423 33 1133.